Hi, my name is Don Briggs and I'm a member of the team at Breadboard Electronics. This is Project 38, a lead chaser. Now, you all recognise this side of the circuit. This is a typical 555 timer layout, and the output of the timer is the input on pin 14 of the 4017B decade counter chip. What the timer does, it creates a clock pulse, and what the decade counter needs is a clock pulse. So for every pulse it gets, it moves its output to each one of these in sequence. Now yes, the numbers are a little bit mixed up, 3, 2, 4, 7, 10, etc. But that's just the way these chips are wired internally. You'll see it working in a moment, which will explain how the output works, but it doesn't actually explain why the numbering's that way round. Now, as you can see down the centre here, you can see it's actually going through 1 through 10 on each of those, even though the numbering is a bit strange. And the timer is supplying a clock pulse to it, so if I change that, it'll slow it down or speed it up, depending on which way you go. Nice little night rider circuit. And a breadboard layout. How can I explain this? Now I know that you don't have 10 red LEDs in the starter kit, but I thought you have 10 LEDs, so why deprive you of this particular circuit? Because I think it's a lovely little circuit to muck around with. Here's your timer, and here's your 4017. The easiest way to wire up the LEDs from the 4017 is to take one at a time, then just work your way through the circuit until it's done, and there's no reason for it not to work. Again, if I fire it up, change this, it should slow its clock rate down, so that the timer itself is sending out a slower pulse, and that's it. One very quick night rider circuit. That's the end of Project 38. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Project 38, the lead chaser. There's not much that can be said about this circuit that hasn't already been said. We have a timer down here on the left and our 4017 in here. As you can see, the wiring does look a little bit complex after a while, but having said before, if you take one pin off the chip at a time and then go to where you want it to go, it will all fall into place quite easily. Lovely little circuit. I can see it on a lot of people's cars already. This trimmer here will adjust the speed that it's moving. That's the end of Project 38. Thank you for watching.